How does cradle-to-cradle design impact sustainability? Imagine a world where waste is a thing of the past, and everything we create can be reused endlessly. That's the idea behind cradle-to-cradle design, a concept transforming how we think about making products and buildings. Instead of the usual take, make, dispose approach, this design mimics nature's cycles, where everything has a purpose and nothing goes to waste. It's a way to keep materials in use forever, either returning safely to the environment or being reused in new products. Cradle-to-cradle divides materials into two groups: biological nutrients, which break down safely and nourish the earth, and technical nutrients, which can be recycled or reused repeatedly without losing quality. This approach helps keep our environment healthy and reduces pollution. In Scandinavia, this idea fits perfectly with their focus on sustainability and circular economy models. They often choose non-toxic, renewable materials for buildings and products, supporting biodiversity and social well-being. For example, in Sweden, the Hulta preschool uses cradle-to-cradle principles by selecting safe, environmentally verified materials and creating outdoor spaces that encourage children to connect with nature and support local ecosystems. This design also pushes innovation in how we build and produce. It encourages companies to develop new methods that use renewable energy, reduce waste, and extend product life cycles. Buildings with cradle-to-cradle certification, for instance, show clear progress toward zero waste and minimal environmental impact. Scandinavian countries often use this certification to guide their projects, making sure they meet strict standards for sustainability and health. However, there are challenges too. Complete recycling of all materials is hard because of thermodynamic limits, and economic growth can still strain resources and harm biodiversity if not managed carefully. That means cradle-to-cradle design needs to be part of a bigger plan, including energy use and recycling systems, to work effectively. In practical terms, Scandinavia applies cradle-to-cradle ideas by choosing building materials free of harmful chemicals, designing outdoor spaces with natural landscapes instead of traditional playgrounds, and certifying products with cradle-to-cradle standards to show their commitment. They also incorporate renewable energy into manufacturing and construction, making sure their efforts support a circular economy. Overall, cradle-to-cradle design offers a way to create a more sustainable future by keeping resources in use, reducing waste, and protecting the environment. It supports economic growth and social health, aligning perfectly with Scandinavia's focus on innovation and environmental care.